Pumunta tayo sa Battle View Point. We're gonna check this place. Gonna check this place. Pauwi na tayo within 2 days. So kailangan natin kailangan natin mayroong pang upload. So ito sa guys, lakad papasok, pasok sa loob at makita na natin ang lugar. Ito yung sikat dito na viewpoint sa Kupangan, Battle Viewpoint. Ako lang mag-isa. Walang katapusang lakaran. Okay. After 5 minutes lang to, daw to eh. Sabi sa akin ng manager ko. So, wala pa namang 5 minutes. Ang papunta medyo mahirap, paakyat. Pero ang pabalik medyo okay na. Hindi siya tingnan natin, makikita nito mamaya. Kung maganda talaga siya. Pagod. Wala pa tayong breakfast. Umakyat na tayo ng bundok. So may mga tanim ng kasoy. Malapit na tayo. Nandito na tayo. Pwede ka mag-duyan. May mga duyan. Doon. Ayan. Doon pakyat. Meron din umakyat. Meron din umakyat. Tatlo. Meron umakyat din.
Head southwest.
Oh, alam ko na, nandito na nga. Alam ko na. Relax. Oh. Ito na. Exciting part. Okay. Ha. Ito na ang exciting part. Oh, okay. Good. Akyat sa bundok? Akyat ba sa bato? Sa bato ba akyat? Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh, baba pa. Bababa pa tayo. Nako. Ang daming ano, parang maze to. Parang siyang maze ah. Oh, dito na naman. Battle Beach. Asan ba talaga ang Battle Viewpoint? Talaga lang. Malapit na. Malapit na tayo mapagod. Asan na? Saan tayo? Dito. Okay. Yeah. Akyat na tayo. At last. Dito na tayo. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, ano mo? Ulog ka pa. Yun itong naka. O, diba? Oh. Kala mo, maganda lang. Mahuhulog ka dito, uy. Ito na siya. Breathtaking view that we could get when you climb up here on the Battle Viewpoint here in Kopangan. Ito siya. So we need to leave our slipper here so that we could walk properly. Okay, this is it. Pansit. Now, this is amazing, right? But we must be extra careful. It's just very dangerous. It's maybe we're gonna get the view, but if we're gonna fall down, that's another story. So you must be extra careful. There's a nice view here down there. So this is Kopangan. We're not going to that way. We don't need to go that way because it's too dangerous. This is amazing. Look, we have the amazing view here. See? Down there. This is the famous battle viewpoint here in Kopangan. That's Battle Beach. That's a Battle Beach down there. Okay, you're gonna see. Bye bye for now. So that I could take some pictures also. It's quite dangerous in here. Fall down. Anyway, thank you. See you. Thank you. This is the view. Look. This is amazing, right? Thank you. Amazing, but there's some danger. Let's be careful.